Thank you, Madam Speaker. Madam Speaker, I rise to honor the storied career of Mr. Don Parrish as he celebrates his retirement as Senior Director of Regulatory Affairs at the American Farm Bureau Federation. Don is a champion and friend of the U.S. agriculture industry through and through. His legacy spans a variety of topics, but namely he is renowned for his incredible work on the Clean Water Act and the waters of the U.S. His role as an integral leader on this topic led to his placement as chair of the Waters Advisory Coalition and to be named as a top 5 player on WOTUS in Politico. Anyone who knows Don knows his deep love for both his work and his family, whom he frequently brags on. The U.S. agriculture industry is better today because of Don's fierce dedication and advocacy. Don, I thank you for your partnership and for the outstanding work you've done to improve the livelihood of America's farmers and ranchers. We wish you a fulfilling retirement. You've earned every bit of it. Thank you, Madam Speaker, and I yield back the balance of my time.